Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Comerica Bank. If you already have registered for online banking account on Comerica Bank, then now you can log in using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log in is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account details and histories, payments, fund transfers and many more from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for comerica.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the login option that is on the right side of the windows here. By doing this, you will land onto the login page for your online banking account of Comerica Bank. So before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go and tap onto setup option in order to start your registration process. And once you're done entering for your online banking account, then you'll be provided with a user ID and a setup password that you can log into your account with. So go to user ID text field and enter the user ID associated to your account. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for this account. And if you want the site to remember your user ID, you can just go and tap onto save user ID. But do not tap onto this box if you are using any shared device. Similarly, if you have forgotten your password or user ID, then you can just go and tap onto forget password in order to reset your password. So once you are done entering your login details, go and tap onto login. By tapping on it, you will have successfully logged into your Comerica Online Banking account. So with all this information, I think you will be able to log into your Comerica Online Banking account in no time. And this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.